Well, you have seen a decline coming in for the Indian markets as well as far as energy is concerned. It is the FOMC meeting outcome today in the evening that the markets are waiting for at this point. You have seen the dollar index trade at around 1 week highs, and that is putting pressure on all of the commodities. For energy especially, you also have seen pressure coming in from the fact that the US inventories have gained up yet again for this week, and this is the fourth straight week of gains coming in for the inventories, and that tells you that the supply is on the higher side, putting yet more pressure on the prices. The Indian markets also in the meanwhile holding below or just about that 6,000 mark for per barrel prices here. The precious metal space actually is trading slightly flat. You have seen some bit of a bargain buying coming in for that one. You have seen choppiness before or ahead of the Fed meeting today in the evening. You wouldn't see large positions or big volumes coming in for this space as well. The Indian markets in the meanwhile holding above that 30,000 mark. The silver prices also have seen a bit of a gain coming in the meanwhile. The best performance though has come in for the base metal space in all of this week. LME inventories for copper have declined for a 39th straight day. You also have seen China interest rate rise giving some support to the tangible commodities, and that's the reason there is a bit of a support and buying opportunity coming in for this sector. But let's get in then Vandana Bharti from SNC, and she joins us live on the show with her strategies. Vandana, hi, welcome. What's your sense coming in for the energy space? Further declines, where do you see a support coming in?
Yeah, Manisha, entire commodity market is trading flat ahead of FOMC. But yes, crude is something which is continuously trading in bearish zone. And yes, there is continuous rise in US inventory because of the mild weather. And yes, this supply side is very smooth here. And as we know that, 21% of the consumption of the entire world is contributed by US. So it is very important. And because of that, I would like to initiate a sell call on this commodity. And I would like to initiate a sell call in November contract for the target of here 5950 with a stop loss of here 6065.
Vandana, there has been a lot of movement coming in for the agro commodities as well, even as it is good monsoons. But because the agro commodities have been suppressed, do you see a rebound coming in, especially for pulses?
Because this is a seasonal buying time for pulses, especially here chana, and we can see some more demand of besan and all, and because of that we can see some short of push up in the prices of chana prices. And here in NCDX I am a buyer in chana, and it made a very good strong support at current level, and I am expecting that this commodity may see a rise of 6 to 7% in near term. But for intraday, I would like to initiate a buy call here at the level of 3165 for the target of 3230 with a stop loss of 3140.